Today, we're tackling the full setup of your new Sky Q box, ensuring you get to enjoy your favorite shows with ease and clarity. Stay with us to turn your living room into an entertainment hub. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and comment below if you have any questions during the setup process. If you've just received your shiny new Sky Q box and are wondering how to get started, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through every step of the process, from unboxing to enjoying your first show. We'll cover everything you need to get up and running smoothly. Setting up technology can sometimes feel daunting, but fear not. Our guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. We'll go over the necessary components, how to connect them, and how to activate your service. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to explore the vast array of entertainment options Sky Q offers. Understanding the basics of what your Sky Q box can do is the first step to maximizing its potential. This device isn't just about watching TV. It's a comprehensive entertainment system that allows you to record, pause, and rewind live TV, access on-demand content, and much more. Now, let's get into the details of setting up your Sky Q box. The first thing you need to do is ensure you have all the parts. The Sky Q box itself, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and a Sky Cable remote. Lay everything out on a flat surface near your TV and power outlet. Start by connecting the power cable to your Sky Q box and plug it into the nearest power outlet. Next, take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the box and the other end to an available HDMI port on your TV. This connection is crucial as it transmits high-definition video and audio from your Sky Q box to your television. Once connected, switch your TV to the correct HDMI input. You should see a welcome screen from Sky indicating that the box is starting up. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. If you don't see the welcome screen, double-check your connections, especially ensuring the HDMI is securely plugged in at both ends. Next up is pairing your Sky Q remote with the box. This is usually automatic, but if it doesn't happen, you can manually pair it by pressing the home button on the remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your remote set up. After your remote is connected, you'll need to connect your Sky Q box to the internet. This can be done via Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. If you're with an Ethernet cable, if you're using Wi-Fi, navigate to the settings menu, select Setup, then Network, and finally connect to your router. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and you should be connected shortly. With your internet setup complete, your Sky Q box will need to download some updates. These updates are important as they contain the latest software to enhance your viewing experience. The box will usually do this automatically, and it may restart during the process. Once updates are installed, you'll be prompted to activate your Sky subscription if you haven't done so already. This can be done online or over the phone. You will need your Sky account details and possibly some additional information that came with your Sky Q box. Now that your box is active and ready to go, you can start exploring. The Sky Q interface is designed to be user-friendly, offering a seamless navigation experience through various entertainment options. You can access live TV recordings, on-demand movies and series, all from the main menu. Your recordings can be managed through the My Q feature, which acts as a personal hub for your scheduled recordings and viewing history. It's a great way to keep track of your favorite shows and series. Lastly, don't forget to explore the additional features Sky Q offers. This includes using apps like Netflix and YouTube directly from your box, accessing music through Spotify, and even connecting your Bluetooth headphones for a private listening experience. Continuing on, let's discuss some key advantages and disadvantages of using a SkyQ box, which will help you make the most of your device and be aware of any limitations. One major advantage of the SkyQ box is its ability to record multiple shows at once while you watch a different channel live. This means no more family arguments about what to watch. Everyone gets to record their favorite shows. Another benefit is the SkyQ box's integration with other devices. You can stream content to tablets around your home using the SkyQ app. This flexibility allows you to watch your recorded shows or live television anywhere in your home, provided you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. The user interface of the SkyQ box is also very intuitive. It makes finding your favorite programs easier with a well-organized menu and the ability to search for shows using the voice control feature on the remote. This is especially handy when you quickly want to find something specific. However, one disadvantage is the initial cost. Getting a SkyQ setup can be quite expensive, especially if you opt for additional features like multi-room viewing or larger storage capacity. This might be a significant consideration if you're on a tight budget. Another potential downside is the reliance on a good internet connection. To enjoy all the features like on-demand content and app integration, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial. This could be a problem in areas where internet speeds are inconsistent. Installation can also be complex, especially for those who are not tech-savvy, while Sky technicians handle the initial setup, understanding how to make the best use of all the features and troubleshooting any issues can be a bit daunting for some users. Lastly, the SkyQ box does require regular updates, which, while necessary to improve functionality and security, can be inconvenient as they sometimes reset your settings or alter the interface you've just gotten used to. Before we move on to the rest of the video, if you are finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps this video reach a wider audience. Here is a case study related to how to set up a SkyQ box. Emma from Manchester encountered issues initially when her SkyQ box did not connect to the internet, which is vital for accessing on-demand content. She checked the network settings and realized the box was trying to connect to an old Wi-Fi network that was no longer active. By resetting the network settings and connecting to the current network, she resolved the issue quickly. Emma also faced a problem with remote pairing. Her SkyQ remote was unresponsive after setup. She followed the troubleshooting steps provided by Sky, which included holding down the 1s and 3 buttons simultaneously to reset the remote. After this reset, the remote successfully paired with the box, and she could navigate through the menus easily. If you're setting up your SkyQ box and encounter any issues, here are a couple of actionable steps you can follow. First, always ensure your connections are secure, especially your HDMI and power cable. Loose connections can often cause problems that seem like technical faults. Secondly, if your SkyQ box isn't connecting to the internet, check to ensure your network settings are correct and that you're connected to the right network. Another useful tip is to keep your SkyQ remote in good working condition. If it stops working, try resetting it by removing the batteries and pressing each button in turn. This can help to clear any residual electricity in the remote that might be causing the issue. If the problem persists, consider resetting the remote using the method mentioned in the case study or consult the Sky Help Center for more detailed guidance. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out and lets us bring you more helpful content like this. We really appreciate your support.